Hi guys, we're here with Aunty Mele again, who's going to be teaching us how to make pineapple pagikekes. First step is a cup of flour.
3.
First step is 3 cups of flour. We don't really do measurements accurately, but that's when they taste the best. 3.
Yeah.
Next step is 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Then we chuck in half a cup of sugar. Now we se'eo. Now we want to add our 2 to 4 cups of water. Thank you to my lovely assistant over here.
Wow.
Now we're going to add some pineapple to our mix. Can be any fruit really, so that could be your banana or berries. Okay. So we're adding our pineapple. We don't use just any kind of oil. We use dripping oil or chef aid. This is what it looks like. You'll know your pancake is ready in the oil when it floats to the top and doesn't sink to the bottom. So it's really important that your oil is very hot, piping hot. First step of putting it in the oil is wetting your spoon in the warm water so that your mixture doesn't stick. Cut it out, carve it out, make it round and drop it in, like so. Cheese. And that is pagikeke. You can get it from your local store or you can make it at home with a lot of love and nice and fresh out of the pot. Cheers, ladies.